that's not like the eye hitting. This is less important because then all that's going to slap around and hit us in the north, but you can see the impact there.
I just want to say that Chris and Raphael and Steve Sauce are doing a fabulous job all day long. They've been here since 3 a.m., so we're relieving them now, Steve Villanueva and I, so we're here for the duration for the rest of this evening. But yes, the storm is actually, and this is a visible satellite where you can see all the clouds, not just the cloud tops, and some thunderstorms bubbling up near the center of the eye of the storm. The storm has picked up speed. It's moving faster now. So this landfall, now that we first thought that might happen around 8 o'clock this evening at the time of high tide for some locations, may actually happen just before that. It doesn't matter because it's still going to be massive flooding along coastal areas and back bays. So now that it's picking up speed, it looks like the landfall could occur sometime around 6 o'clock this evening versus 8 o'clock. Still bad no matter how you look at it. Still going to see those strong hurricane force winds coming in at the shore and some inland areas as well. Still will be the worst time of the storm. So now's the time really to just kind of stay inside and not venture out at all. But you can see it's sort of like it's starting to turn. It already started that turn, that motion, and it's picking up a bit of speed and moving closer to the Jersey Shore. Right now, it appears that the eye will move onshore somewhere near from Point Pleasant Beach, between Point Pleasant Beach and Atlantic City. That's where it appears that it will make its actual landfall. But the landfall isn't as important as the storm itself because everybody feels the effects from the storm because it's so far reaching. They're feeling the effects from the storm, believe it or not, as far west as Lake Michigan. The winds around the storm will go that far out, and they've got storm warnings there. And there's snow. It's snowing to beat the band in West Virginia right now because of the same system. So it's far-reaching, and it's closer to us, so our winds are getting worse here by the minute. So far, we've seen hurricane or close to hurricane force wind gusts in Tuckerton, New Jersey, 74 miles an hour. Sandy Hook at 71 miles an hour. JFK at 66 miles per hour, and Islip with 59-mile-per-hour gusts. My colleague Jim Cantori at the Weather Channel has been down at Battery Park all day, and I know Jim was down there during Hurricane Irene, Tropical Storm Irene, watching the surf come up. What's it looking like now, Jim? Is it getting worse?